What is good? It's your boy Big Dawg, and we back with yet another fucking video. So look, right, today we're gonna be talking about 5 tech things that I feel like you need to have on a ship. I feel like you should have, period, anyways, when you're traveling. So, my opinion, these are my choices. This is what I carry all the time, period. They always with me. So we're gonna jump straight into this video, y'all. I feel like that you need to have, it's a laptop. For me, my choice is a MacBook Pro to be exact. You don't need a MacBook Pro, you just need a laptop. The reason I feel like you need a laptop, especially on a ship, is because laptops are multifunctional. A lot of people are gonna tell you a tablet, you should get a tablet. Laptop is the way to go. Tablets are cool, but it's a lot of things that tablets just aren't able to do just yet. For example, one of my favorite things that I always do on my laptops is watch movies. I continuously watch and download movies on my laptop. Being on a ship, they play movies and you got cable and you got TVs in some rooms, but everybody know you got the movies that you want to watch that they ain't got. You know what I'm saying? You got videos, TV shows, anything that they have that you don't got. Sometimes you might be doing some paperwork, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta type up some papers and you can't get to a ship computer because they slow and they trash. This is the way to go. Laptop, baby. You need it. You need it. I love my laptop. I got so many. I prefer my books, but I'm an Apple person. But you can choose whichever. Yeah. The second thing that I feel like you need to have is definitely going to be, after a MacBook, a hard drive. Listen, these hard drives will save your life of boredom. Once you figure out how to download TV shows, movies, or even if you get on a ship and you don't have TV shows or movies, you get these right here. Get you one of these. It's a lifeline because so carry all your movies and all your TV shows. You don't get on. You ain't got no Netflix and chill on no ship. It's my hard drive and chill. You feel me? Because this is what you got when you on the water for 60 days, 30 days, 45 days at a time. This is what's gonna save you. This hard drive is what's gonna save you. I'm telling you. Listen to your boy. Get your hard drive. Figure out how to download TV shows, movies, podcasts, your YouTube videos, anything that you want to watch for later. Get it. This has saved me from boredom so many times I can't explain. And then you get on a ship, this is passed around, bro. These things, you gonna get stuff and watch stuff you would never thought you would have watched. Somebody will be like, yo, you seen that new TV show? Or you ever watched this TV show? Man, give me a hard drive. I know you got one. I'm gonna put that up there for you. I got you. Let them do it. You don't like it, delete it. I'm telling you, I got like 3 or 4. I carry 2. One for TV shows, one for movies. I'm more of a TV show person because once I watch a movie once, I'm going to delete it unless it's like become one of my favorites and I keep it. I watch it multiple times, you know what I'm saying? But I carry like a 2 or 3 terabyte. I got 1 2 and 1 3. One for TV shows, one for movies. But this your lifeline right here. Hard drive. Get you one. All right. Number 3 is probably going to be a mixture. Let me explain why. Mine's is a mixture for number 3 because it's unlocked phone. My iPhone is unlocked, meaning it's with any carrier I can use it with, whatever carrier. When I go overseas, I can use it with whatever SIM card I want to use it for. Get you an unlocked phone. Secondly, you want a backup phone. You always want to carry around 2 phones in case something happens to you. Most important one, and your backup phone ain't got to be nothing expensive. This is like a blue cheap phone that I want to say I got overseas or off of Amazon. Get you 2 phones. Even if I have used this. The only thing I use it for is actually is a hotspot. That's why it's like a mixture. Number 3 is a phone and a hotspot. Being that it's a hotspot, also I can still use it as a phone. But I usually just buy data for this, put it in my pocket or whatever when I walk around town, or if I'm on a ship, this will give me data, and I use this and sync it to my phone. Now I'm hotspotting on my phone. I got Wi-Fi on the phone. You feel what I'm saying? But if this phone is unlocked, like I'm advising you to get an unlocked phone. Get your unlocked phone, then you just put the data sim in here and you don't need a hotspot nothing unless it's your laptop. Or if you got a game system, you can hotspot that if it's fast enough. So, unlock phone and hotspot. If you can't get a second phone, get your hotspot. Hotspot's gonna save your life, bro. Because every place sells data. And you use data and you call back to the crib. You call back to the crib, you don't gotta pay for them overseas phones and buying these SIM cards. They charge you to call home, back home in the United States. Man, if they got a Facebook, use the data, call them on Facebook, or you can download some apps that let you call using data. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I'm telling y'all, save me so much money. Fourth thing is definitely gonna be the headphones, B. The headphones, man. Listen, this how you drown everybody out. This how you drown everybody out. I'm trying to tell you. Cause sometimes I have these in and don't even listen to music. But people see you with these, man, they ain't gonna bother you. Or if you hear them talking to you, just ignore them. Ignore them. They ain't gotta, oh, I didn't even hear you, bro. I had my headphones. Like, my bad, I'm sorry. What'd you say? Or you just pop in one. I love the wireless. You know what I'm saying? I love having wireless headsets. Always travel with headphones. Headphones are like essential, man. Listen, if you ain't got a pair of wireless AirPods or some type of wireless headset, get them. Get them. You can afford them right now. When you get the money, save up and get you a pair of wireless headphones. Wireless is the new wave, B. Them wireless headphones are the new wave. I also carry Beats too. I carry my Studios. These are like my backup pair when I'm in the gym. Y'all see me rock the Studios. I love Studios. Yeah, so that's that. Number 5. Last but not least. I don't know if this counts as a tech thing, but I do count as a tech thing. Is a universal travel adapter. Now, I bought this off Amazon. I always travel like 4 or 5 of these and I keep them in my carry-on luggage for when I'm going through the airport, and I use them when I get to a ship. That way, if you ever out in town when you overseas, this thing right here, it got multiple plugs. It got multiple plugs. That's one, look, that's one right there. This one go down, then this one can come up. Look, boom, you got another one right there. You lock that up, then boom. You got another one right there, and you ain't never got and whatever type of plug will fit in the back right here. You can plug whatever you need into this piece. And then you figure out what plug they got wherever you at, and you hook that up. And there's a surge protector, so if something pop, you ain't gotta worry about blowing up your phone or your laptop or nothing like that. This gonna protect it. So I advise y'all to get one of these. This is essential and important, man. A surge protector, it really is. So that's my 5 tips. That's my 5 tech items that I feel like you have to have when traveling or if you're on a ship. For me, those are essential. I'm gonna even give y'all a bonus, man. For me, number 6 would have to be some type of game, man. I travel with a P4, but what comes with traveling with a game system is it's big. You know what I'm saying? It's huge, and you gotta put that in a bag, and then you gotta have a TV. If not, then you gotta order a TV when you get to the ship, because most of the time they still got them old rinky-dink ones, unless the person who was in your room previous to you left the TV. Me personally, I don't travel with a TV. I got this little miniature one that I travel with. So, yeah. But P4B is the wave, the best way to go. Some type of gaming system. That will be number 6, and that's a bonus for y'all, a gaming system. So, I hope y'all like this video, and I appreciate y'all for being here and coming through and stopping past and seeing your boy. If you made it this far, please like, comment, and of course, subscribe to your boy and join the family, man. I appreciate y'all.